So this is the list of no's. So ABEM asking a question on the LSA exam, I'm willing to bet there's going to be a list that includes some of these agents on which should and shouldn't be given. In the article, there is a pretty big table that looks at all kinds of drugs that are considered okay to give or not okay to give in a breastfeeding mother. The list of avoiding things, I've included part of on this slide, things like trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, which we give lots of times and we think of it as safe. Well, don't give it to a breastfeeding mom. Nitrofurantoin, which is kind of the go-to for UTIs, not so much in a breastfeeding mom, which I think that's important to know.
Yeah.
Women get UTIs all the time. That's not a good one. Azithro, not so much. And there's a whole other list of things, certain kinds of oral contraceptives. Anticoagulants, the novel anticoagulants aren't supposed to be used both in pregnancy or in breastfeeding. So aspirin, not so much. Clopidogrel, antiplatelets don't in breastfeeding. And there's a few other things like cold medicines, pseudoephedrine, diphenhydramine, not in breastfeeding moms, and certain seizure medicines as well.